Just got this bulk pack of supposedly 1,000 3/8 inch carbon steel ball bearing balls. Now, what could that be good for? You got it. Okay, so the first part of this review, we are going to see if it actually is what it says it is. And the first thing we'll do is measure one. Sure enough, 3/8 of an inch. Okay. Next, let's see if they're actually steel. Yep. They're steel. Okay, next phase, we'll weigh them and see how many there are. So we know what it should weigh because we're going to have to set the tare weight. There we go. Okay, so the volume of a 3/8 inch ball bearing should be about, let's see, about half of a cc, just under half of a cc, cubic centimeter. So steel being about 4.8, no, about 7.8 grams per cc. This should weigh about 3.5 grams. Okay, it's reading out 3 grams, but the reason is because on grams it doesn't measure to the 10th. It only measures down to 1 gram. But what we really want to do is find out if this is really 1,000 anyway. So we know that it's between 3 and 4 grams. So, and since we've ascertained that it is indeed steel and it is indeed 3/8, we can pretty much assume that it's especially since it's changing between 3 and 4, it's right about 3.5. So let's pour the rest of them in the jar and see what we get. Hopefully we won't spill any. Well, look at that. $35.59 grams. So sure enough, that's 1,000. Actually, it's probably a little bit over 1,000, even though I dropped one of them. So we did get the proper amount. That's the quick way to count 1,000 ball bearings. We're trying some of these 3/8 inch steel ball bearings. This is the best price I found on them, so I'll probably be buying more. And I'll put a link in the video description so you can buy some too if you want some. I need to get a magnetic wristband to go on my right wrist, since I shoot with my I hold the slingshot with my left hand. So put the wristband on the right hand, right wrist, and that'll hold some spare ball bearings for me. So I've got a steel can out there. Let's see if I can hit it. Oh, first try. That was probably about 7 yards.